Oh, hi there. My name is Jane and I'm coming to you today from RecPro. I'm here to introduce you to one of our large water tanks. This is a freshwater tank. If you want to look it up on our website, the SKU number is RP-427002. It's a 48-gallon tank. It's 53 inches long, 25 inches wide, and 11 inches deep. It's made by Alpha, who is a top manufacturer of tanks. This tank is blank. You're gonna see these two little holes, but they're not really holes, they're just vent holes from the manufacturing of the tank. So we do sell the fittings to go with this tank. And this is a custom tank, so it does take 3 to 4 weeks to order. And all custom tanks, just so you're aware of it, are non-returnable and non-refundable. So if you like what you see, you can click the link below, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and as always, when you're done rolling down the road, roll with RecPro. Have a great day.